I can't contain my excitement. This is the launch of the 2022 World Chocolate Masters here in Paris. I have with me Group 1, 9 finalists, the first 9 finalists, who are going to start with their showcase and also taste. Amazing products are going to be made. If I can ask, for example, Nishant, hi there. Tell us, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling a little stressed and nervous, but I'm excited to be there and showcase my food.
Literally, this is exactly the spirit we want. Guys, are you ready? Yeah? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. To your workstations!